BJD leader Shrimai Mishra is rumoured to have targeted Navin Patnaik through her social media post. Though she did not name anyone, speculation is rife that the BJD leader indirectly took a dig at her own party president and former Odisha Chief Minister Navin Patnaik. In her post, Shrimai drew parallels with the Mahabharata, recalling how King Dhritarashtra presided over the assembly during Draupadi's humiliation but remained silent. She noted that the king's blind affection for his sons, especially Duryodhan, prevented him from stopping the injustice. Some people like Dhritarashtra turn blind and fail to stop wrongdoings. History never forgives such unworthy kings, as their silence leads to tragic consequences, she wrote in her post. In a video post, she said,
महिला को अपमानित करुवा व्यक्ति जेतेबेले महिला सशक्तिकरण विषय रे स्लोगान दिए जने हसंती। अन्यायर सीढ़ी चढ़ुवा व्यक्ति जेतेबेले निजको न्यायमूर्ति प्रमाणित करबा पई सत चेष्टा करे जने हसंती। निज पई गोटे छोटिया निष्पत्ति न नै पारुवा व्यक्ति जेतेबेले राष्ट्र निर्माण रो कथा कहे जने हसंती।
The BJD is yet to issue any statement over the speculations.